Let's solve the question, and we are discussing here three questions. The first is that we are considering here the primary productivity means production of organic compounds, while if we talk about the biodiversity, we can say that means the types of lives that in a particular area. So these are frequent relative terms, we can say that, and in the given statement there are some statements which are favorable for this. Moving to the next one here, if we talk about the key factors influencing the biodiversity, so we can write it down.